Hi everyone, this is Lovely with another wellness vlog. And I am on, I believe it's day 23 of the 30-day meditation challenge. And I have shifted my intention of challenge or intention of what I'm meditating from. Originally I had planned on doing a 5-minute silent meditation either in the morning or evening, and then a 8 to 12 minute, depending on, guided meditation with Blondin. And I found it was really challenging to sort of, it seems crazy to say this, but fit the 5-minute silent meditation into my day. Or consistently do it. So after it was about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I realized I needed to do something that was more manageable. So what I did was I decided to go back to something that I've done in the past, which was to do a 2-minute meditation when I arrive at work, before I go into work. I've done this before as a 1 minute, and 2 minutes. For some reason, 2 minutes just seemed to be much better. I could get into it a little more deeply, which it's crazy that I could do that in 2 minutes. Because 5 minutes, it's really interesting. But all this is to say that adding meditation to my life is making my life better. And even if it was just a 1 minute, it's improving my quality of life. So how is it doing that? Just for that moment, I'm slowing down. But also, I'm like walking into my life in the morning with a centeredness that is, it's like I'm building this muscle of being centered and slow and moving through life with intention, with intentionality. And I really, as I'm nearing the end of the 30 days, I really now want to start thinking about, what do I want to take into my life now that the challenge is over, or ending soon. And as I say this, I'm thinking that a daily practice, which is something I've always wanted but never been able to sustain, is something that is going to improve my quality of life. And I really want to figure out what will be sustainable. Even if at this point in my life it's only a 2-minute meditation 5 days a week when I go to work. Even if that's what it looks like, I don't think at this point it matters. But doing something daily can only improve my life. The slowing down. And the slowing down for me is transformative. I tend to run at a very frenetic pace mentally, because of who I am, because I have anxiety. I also am an artist, constantly thinking of ideas, not just as an art teacher, but also as a maker myself, of what I want to do. And so I have to spend a lot of time, especially with the anxiety, talking myself off the ledges. I call it spinning. I can spin. Oh, well, I should do this and I should do that. And about anything. So-and-so said this, and I wonder if they meant that. And, something about my boss or my colleagues or my students. And I can just, and so I spend a lot of time going, okay, let's just breathe. And so, doing something daily to get me to be in a mindful, intentional, slower state is, I wish that I had started this practice when I was 10. I wonder where I'd be now. But anyway, I'm really grateful. I'm grateful for the challenge, for growth. And I really feel like for me personally, this year has been a very transformative year, towards living a life I dreamed. I've always dreamed of having, a life where I am healthier, where I am more at peace, where I am able to reach my creative goals. Things really seem possible, fully possible, in ways that I only hoped for before. And this is not due to just this 30-day challenge. It's due to a year of really going deeply within the things that I wanted and kind of making them happen. So feeling a little reflective and having a lot of gratitude. So I'm lovely, and so are all of you. And if you have daily practices, I would love to hear from you. So please comment below or send me a message. And be well.